everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys know what it is. It is time to house clean up. I've been kind of slacking this week, and the reason is because we had a snowstorm at the beginning of this week, and now we are under really cold temperatures. And I'm like, oh yeah, it's time to get stuff done, you know? But my son got school canceled last week Wednesday. He has school Mondays and Wednesdays. But he got canceled last week Wednesday. He got canceled this week Monday and this week Wednesday. So I've had my son home all day, all week. Plus he's had pink eye. So I haven't had very much things to get done because when he is with me, he wants to be by my side at all times. So I never get anything done. I try to do laundry. He thinks it's time to jump on the bed. But what I've been doing for the past week since I made this video, or made my past video, is I've been going through my closet. Now, I told you guys this last week, I wanted to go through my closet. And if you guys definitely need to watch that Marie Kondo Tidying Up on Netflix. Now, you don't have to go all like crazy, but you should watch it. I felt like watching that made me feel at peace at more of my stuff. Like, I feel like I'm getting rid of more things. And so what I ended up doing is I'm like, I'm just going to grab some clothes that I don't wear anymore. I got to think about it. I'm not in my 20s anymore. I don't go out drinking. I don't need to find a guy. I've had my husband for 12 years, going on 13 years. I don't need to wear those outfits anymore. I don't need to have all these like exposing outfits. So I'm like, I don't need my drinking outfits anymore. I don't need all these outfits. I just don't need them. So what I ended up doing is just grabbing some stuff, and I just kept going and going and going. I will show you guys how many bags, how many bags I filled of just my clothes. Now, I feel like I could get rid of more stuff, but it's hard to get rid of stuff because I'm pregnant, and I'm like, well, I'll lose weight. Because like between Ben and this pregnancy, I didn't really want to lose any weight. Because I kept saying, oh, I'll lose it. But I feel like after I have my daughter, I will actually have motivation to clean. But what I'm going to do is show you guys my clothes that I went through. And now you guys will have to go about 2 videos back if you want to see what it looked like before. I wish I took a picture of it, but I got rid of a lot of stuff. So let me show you guys what we've done so far. So, still going through my clothes. My cat's here. What I actually want to do now is actually take all my clothes off the hook, or not off the hangers, but just take them off, and I want to organize them. I want to put all the t-shirts on one side and all the long shirts on the other. So that is something I'm going to probably do over the next few weeks, is work on that. But I feel like I got rid, I mean, it doesn't even look like I touched anything. But I actually did. Before, you could barely even get a gap in here, and now I finally have a gap, which I like. I'm finally just getting rid of stuff. Like I said, there's still more things I could probably get rid of, but it's a little too hard. But I mean, a lot of this stuff I wear constantly all the time. It just depends on my mood. I have to have a lot of different kind of shirts for work, you know, all that stuff. But what I ended up doing is going through my shelf. I just did this prior to the video. Now, this shelf was completely full, because what I would do is just throw it up there, just throw it up there, just throw it up there. This thing was completely full, and then that whole section was full. So what I ended up doing is taking everything out. I actually got rid of about 10 pieces of clothing that was on this these shelves, but I folded everything. These are my 2 pajamas, these are just t-shirts, and these are jeans, and then I actually put my 2 dolls up here that I want to keep. I still have to go through that tote, but so far, I mean, I got a gap. Look at that. I got a gap. So I'm pretty excited to see an opening. Husband has been slowly getting rid of his stuff. I got to have him go through this. But otherwise, it's doing pretty good. Another thing I want to do over the next couple days or weeks is go through my shoes. Now, I have shoes here and I have shoes here. So what I want to do is get rid of half of my shoes. Like, let's see. I'm not going to wear these anymore. These are super cute. I love them, but I will never wear them again. I mean, I keep thinking, oh, I'll wear them. I'll wear them. Nope. Same thing with this. Love these shoes. Never wear them. I hate heels. I hate heels. These are super comfortable. It's hard to say. I don't know if I'll get rid of those. I don't know. And these I can't even wear anymore. Are you kidding me? No freaking way. So that's something I can get rid of, is a lot of shoes. So just try to get up. But otherwise, this closet right here, I have to organize up here. But down here, again, organized a lot of stuff. I got rid of dresses that I can't even fit into. I'm still going to go through some more and get rid of stuff, but I am pretty excited to show you guys all the stuff that I got rid of. So next thing I'm going to show you guys is what I want to tackle on next. Okay, as you guys can see right here is my dresser. It's my dresser. I never get to see the top of the dresser. That's how lazy I am. What happens is I put laundry away and then there's a couple things and I'm like, oh, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. So I just throw it on my dresser. So the next thing I'm going to do is clear this off, get all the clothes off of here. I'm going to actually put some of my little collectibles right on here and start doing that. Paris has her water that she drinks, but I want to clear this off, dust it. So that's something I'm actually going to work on probably over the next couple days. We are going to IKEA in a couple days. So I'm thinking of ideas of what I could do to help organize a little bit better, but right now this is it. And I want to get it cleaned. Okay, so right here, this is our bathroom, but we don't use this bathroom very often. So what I told the husband to do is just throw the bags of clothes that we're going to donate, just throw them in here just for now, so we have walking space. But as you guys can see it, I got six bags of clothes. That's how much clothes I got rid of. And I'm not regretting any of it. I'm just like, I don't wear it anymore. Why the heck do I freaking even have it? So we got that. And then we got another pile of stuff. We are slowly making some boxes to donate. So we are putting stuff in boxes to donate. But we're just doing it little bit by little bit, time after time. So this is the baby's room. Now it looks a little bit different. The shades are shut. We're trying to keep as much warmth in the house because it is cold outside. It's like, I think -12 outside right now. I'm not sure. But what we ended up doing, husband just kind of worked at this for a little bit. We're not doing it constantly. We both have ADD. We both get bored very easily. But what we're doing is just slowly packing it up. I still got more stuff out of the closet. We got that a lot picked up. This pile right here is just all donate stuff. This, I'm getting ready to clear off the bookshelf to get ready to sell. We're going to sell that bookshelf pretty cheap. This stuff we still have to go through, which is fine. It's not a big deal. But we ended up getting rid, I'm going to sit down. We ended up getting rid of a lot of stuff that was in this area. Like you couldn't even tell there was a bed here at a point. And right now there's just 2 totes of clothes, or 2 totes of toys, and the rest are just empty totes. So we're going to put a lot of this stuff in those totes. So that's what we're working on right now. But I feel like we got a lot of stuff done in this room. But yeah, a lot of you guys are really starting to enjoy this. Sorry, I hurt my tailbone, like hurts. I'm sitting down and my tailbone hurts so badly that I have to go to a chiropractor. I have to wait until a chiropractor opens because right now the mail's shut down. A lot of places are shut down because of the cold. But so if you see me in pain, I'm sorry. If you see me doing videos in pain, it's because of my tailbone. I can't sit directly on it. But I feel like this is, what, week 3 that I've been working on. Don't make a mess, honey. This is week 3 that I've been working on this room. And I feel like we got a lot of stuff done. I mean, I'm slowly getting rid of it. It's just at my own pace. Yeah. But I'm really enjoying this. A lot of you guys are really enjoying this. A lot of you guys love getting this motivation. But yeah, and I'm trying to show you guys different things. We will be going back to the basement again soon. Just right now I want to get this room done because we are going to be painting probably in the next couple weeks. Like I said, we're going to IKEA. We're going to get a couple things. I'm going to get a dresser for her. I want to get a bookshelf, and there was something else I wanted to get for her room. I can't remember, but this rocking chair staying, the crib's staying, so we got that going on. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to start getting this room because once this room's painted, I'm going to start like really decorating it. But the basement is still Still a mess, still kind of what it's at. We're just throwing a lot of stuff down here, downstairs, but we are going through it, and I will show you guys every step away. I just don't want to bore you guys with the same stuff, but a lot of you guys are enjoying this, and, you know, and I like it. And you guys, a lot of you guys are giving me your opinion, and I do, you know, I do read your comments. Don't open the bubbles. You can't open bubbles inside.
Why?
Because it's inside the house. But anyways, but a lot of you guys, I do read your comments. I'm just, you know, some of them are mean and some of them are not, but I'm trying to do the best as I can. I'm doing this by myself at my own pace so I can be relaxed on my own time. But I hope you guys really are starting to enjoy this kind of series. I always have the hiccups or the out of breath when I'm doing these videos, but I hope you guys are really enjoying these as much as I do. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support, and I'll see you guys all next Saturday for another what am I doing? Another cleaning series. See you guys later. Bye-bye.